Hello and welcome back to my channel. A girl, a game, and a goal. And I am Dee Dee, the girl. The game is indicated down here, which is Nova Luna. And it's right here in the window of what we are going to be looking at today. Now there's a little bit of a shadow of my microphone, so let me move that over a little bit. And I think I'm going to maybe have to change my eyeglasses, but maybe not. So, this is a Uwe Rosenberg, Jorge Van Morse game by Stronghold Games. Spiel something, another language edition. I don't know what that means. So, our game is Nova Luna, and the goal is going to be doing an unboxing of like what is inside the box. So, we'll look at the side where it clearly tells us that it is an 8 and over game. Let me do this side because that's a little bit better to read without the plastic. It is a 30-minute game and it is a 1 to 4. Yay for solo games, which I still have to get to my channel. So, talking about channels, there's this channel that I do board game related stuff and it's strictly board game related stuff. And there is my Crafty channel, which is Scrappy Gamer DDS, which Crafty. I haven't put anything up there recently new, but there's plenty of videos there. And I have a vloggy channel where it's pretty much talking about me talking about life and mostly playing with makeup. Hence, I look like a human today. What do you think? Anyway, all of those can be found down below, and I will eventually be getting my stream back into a regular station, the regularly programmed station, the regular over on Twitch. Trying to figure out which days is gonna work best for me. I think I need a schedule to kind of help me, to keep me motivated, but then I feel like if I make it into a schedule, it becomes work, and I don't want it to be work. This is why I've been trying this whole thing of like, hey, I'm here to chat, I'm here to look at this stuff that's in the box, ooh, and I'm not editing. So, let's get to what's inside the box, but we'll look at the back of the box for a minute. So, I mean, this is a nice little back of the box. You kind of see the image. They look as if they are cartoony or drawn images, not an actual photograph. But I mean, it's like it's like, hello, choose your tile, move your piece, your token, place your tile, complete your goals. There, you know how to play. This seems cool. That seems so awesome. All right, so I'm not gonna use a scissor. I don't know, am I saying that right? One of those words when you say it kind of feels like I said it wrong. People got accents on it and whatnot. So it's like when I say calculator. Kids at work, I teach, always making fun of the way I say it. So who knows? So we took the ruler and stuck it in the edge because unlike, whoo, look at the nails, right? Have to have some decent nails if we're going to be showing the hands. Woo! So anyway, so let's get the plastic off. I tried to move this up. Calendar. I was gonna say calendar. Yo, I don't know. It's like, it's not old age. I can't possibly be going through dementia at my age. I feel like it's COVID brain. Like you don't recover. Some of your synapses are gone. Anyway. Not to dwell. So great that it's one, because now it's yet another thing on my list of things that I haven't played, that I should be playing, and I could be playing over on Twitch. And then bringing over here, meaning that if I play games on Twitch, I plan to take the video that is generated through the live stream and then upload it here. The only thing is that I have to still augment my stream so that you can see the chat that is happening. Because what I like about the Twitch community is that it's a community and you conversate, that's not a word, have a conversation with the people that are in the chat. You answer questions, you talk back and forth. And if I'm not giving you a visual of what the chat is, what's happening, I'm looking like I'm talking to myself. Which kind of like what I'm doing now, right? But no, I'm talking to you. So, but you'll be seeing, so, oh, this is nice when it has an inside. Like, what's it called? Production value, right? That's how we say that. Now I have a background noise, not noise, I have background on, like radio, Pandora's always on and stuff like that. And I just don't have enough subscribers, and that was kind of gross, right? But I have a super itch. At least it wasn't a kind of thing. Ooh, okay. So here's what's in the box. This is how it's packaged. Playing music. I got Pandora just playing. What is it? I think it's like the 50s, 60s radio. I wasn't even born in the 60s. But Mama grew up playing the 60s and playing the country music, and I think I need to dip this down just a little bit. And yeah, so it's in my blood. But I don't know. Well, I don't have enough subscribers that it would matter. It's not like I won't get demonetized because nobody knows me. I only have 28. That's so sad. But I'm not the best at promoting myself, and that's just something that I don't know. I am getting better at mentioning, like I did in the beginning, like all my channels, right? But then it's like I start to kind of feel weird about it too, because it's like, it's just a self-defeating kind of thing. It's mental. Anyway, so we have a bag of, I'm over here, this is not ASMR, a bag of pieces. All of them are just round discs. They are in 4 colors, up to 4 players, I'm assuming 1 per color per person. And then these are all together. So let's say, oh, I was gonna say, oh, the bottom of the box is so pretty, but it's actually the rule book. But the bottom of the box is pretty. So I'm gonna put the other side over there. And there's our rule book. So we have this. This is what is inside. So you know, I'm trying to keep this under 15 minutes. Oh, this is plastic. Oh, it's interesting. It's kind of like when you used to get that ream of paper and you have to pop that. Nope, that's not happening. You have to pop the plastic to kind of release the cover, the thing. But this is plastic. I could slide it off, but I'm just going to cut it off because I'm not going to need any. I'm not going to need it. After I pop all this, it's not going to be necessary. So let's just see, how does it pop? Woo! So they are double-sided. They, you know, stuff like this that has double sides. It is really true that you need to have a nice poppage, because I've gotten so many games where you're popping out these pieces, and God forbid, basically you wind up separating the picture image from the thickness. Now it's a pretty thick cardboard, which is nice. Now this, if you are a crafter or whatever, I've come to kind of keep some of these because they produce unique shapes we can use as stencils. You're not a crafter, do not hoard this and throw it away. Well, if you're a crafter, keep one, don't keep them all. Anyway, so that's to the side. Now see, this is the dilemma. Now this one, let's just keep popping them out, popping. Now this thing has got a interesting little thing. I think you have to build something, so I'm gonna put that to the side. I know it's off camera because the way that I've set this up, and you guys can give me your opinion, is that a lot of time as streamers, not streamers, but yes, as streamers, we want to talk to our community, but we want to show the game. Now our heads would not be as big as this is, and I don't know if you need me to be this big when I'm showing off the game. If that is the case, and my head is a little bit too big, and you find this to be a little bit too constricting for what we're doing here, which is just looking at the contents, maybe popping some stuff, that would be awesome to know. Because I think that as what's in the box, if it's too far away, you really can't see it. But I feel like I don't want to just show you the box. Like, I'm part of the video. I'm the girl. This is the game. Our goal is to take a look at this together. So, I don't know. You tell me what you think. But let me just finish popping all these out. I don't know why. And I'm looking at the clock. Ooh! Alright. Sorry about that. It appears that my alerts have gone off in OBS for my channel on Twitch. So someone must have followed me over on Twitch. So when I'm streaming and I use OBS and I'm recording with OBS, So I'm in one scene right now, which is the scene that I use for these type of videos. And I guess since got it open, it must be actively attached still to the internet. So that I will have to apologize for, but that is what happened. Okay, so we got these are popping out so nicely. Now there is a center that we'll keep that, and then there's this piece which I believe is a throwaway, and we need that tile. And then here's the other component that we need. So they did give us baggies, which is awesome. We always like a good baggie, a good set of baggies. I would assume let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 baggies. I don't know what I'm assuming, but let's just put some stuff in the box. So we got a really beautiful box. We do have the round. Now I'm not supposed to be, it's supposed to be like what's in the box, but anyway, the tiles in the gameplay will fit right here, and they go around. It's nicely designed. I don't remember what's in the middle, but I'm not gonna get too much into it because that's not what this is about today, right? Today is about just looking at what the pieces are, and everything is like super duper like nice. I do not think I need to be worried about how these things are placed into the bag, because they all have the same back, so they do go down, and it is random. And so I'm just gonna fill this bad boy up as best as I can with a bunch of tiles. And then I want to look at that thingy that's in the middle. It's not in the middle. The thing that was in the middle that I threw out, or I think I had to throw out. That's good enough. I don't want to make it too tight. That fits nicely. There's the stencil. The potential stencil for the crafty person in us all. And I'm going to put this in the baggie here, so that way I can put this away. And then I want to look at the, you know what, I'm wasting a lot of time, and I apologize, because I wanted this video to stay under 15. It might stay under 20, because duh, why am I doing this now? I could have just, you know, done it after we looked at a bunch of other stuff. But all said and done, it is done. They're there. 2 more baggies extra, and these pieces. And now this thing here, I'm not sure of. There's another piece to pop out. So, and there's a slot. So, oh, very interesting. Oh, wait a minute. I don't know. I don't know. I'm getting so excited. Let me look at it. Let me look at this. Okay. So, how does this get put together? Okay, I see it now. So, interesting. So you have that, right? And they're all scored, right? And then you put that one in there. You put that guy in there. So you create a base. And now the 2 slots line up. The moon goes right over there. And everything is now snugly in place for the marker. It just says 1 marker. So you have 1 marker, 1 wheel. You've got the 68 tiles in 4 colors, 17 tiles of each color, 84 discs, 21 discs in 4 colors, 1 used as a player disc and 20 used as gold discs. I'm not sure where that all goes. And then it tells you about this. So the book is nice and big. I like that it's not too cramped. The text is pretty good. The pictures are clear. It's not a super thick paper, but it is nice. Literally four steps, like on the outside, and then complete your goals. I love when they give you examples so that you can clearly see how to you know, score stuff, right? And it's very clear. And then the solo game is on the back, which is awesome because that is what I could possibly stream. Now, with a solo game and streaming on Twitch, it's hard because the games on Twitch you want to play are kind of like the kind of solo games that the crowd can get involved in. This one, I don't think that that's the case. This is more of like me record and me play and me talk to myself and upload to YouTube, and then you guys can comment in the comment what I did wrong, how badly I suck at it, how well I did, all that good stuff. But other than that, everything is nice and thick components. Everything fits nicely, dips in, throw out the garbage, put on the cover. I love the cover. I don't know if you noticed that. Some other game had this aspect where it was like, oh, some of it's like smooth and the rest of it is like matte. Anyway, so that is what is inside Nova Luna, a 1 to 4 game, and hopefully this will intrigue you. I am only a few seconds over, or a minute over 15, so I will say goodbye, and I will say that check out all my other stuff in the description, and remember that board gaming is not a spectator sport, so you got to grab those dice and play. And until next time, ring the bell so you can know when I post another video, and keep playing more games. Now I gotta stop recording.